come here to condemn and castigate the occurrences and the events, the happenings of last week within Migori County. We've encountered instances of violence meted on our people from what should have been noble occasions and solemn occasions or funerals.
Our electorates are expecting us, including the government, including the governor, to deliver. Part of our deliverances is working on a conducive business environment in our market areas. So we want to condemn what happened in Migori market dearly, and it is regrettable, and we want to ask the citizen and electorate to come out and rebuke what happened.
We are not going to allow our people to be attacked and killed. They didn't elect us to spearhead their killing or attacks. They elected us to represent them, to spearhead, champion their opinions and the resolutions that they have on the ground, not to spearhead how the machetes are going to be used against them.